Good morning po.
Hello, good afternoon.
Ay, good afternoon na pala.
Gusto niyo po makita paggawa ng pots?
Oo nga, pero gusto ko rin gumawa ng pot.
Sure.
Pwede po ba?
Pakita ko muna sa inyo. Yes po.
Ayan.
Akyat po kayo, sir.
Ano po ba lugar to?
This is the Sagada Pottery in Danunoy, Patay, Sagada.
Wow. Pwedeng gumawa ng pot. Pwede rin manood paano gumawa ng pot.
Yes. Papakita po muna yung paggawa and then if you want to experience how to make a pot, then you can.
Okay, tapos pwede namin bilhin yung pot.
Yes, of course, sir.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
go.
Sure.
Here in the middle, I'm pushing it inward, slowly pulling it up, supporting my right hand with the left hand inside. Then I'm going to push it out at the top to make a flower vase. We can even make it sexier a bit here at the very middle. So immediately, and slowly pushing it in, while pulling the
Good afternoon. Wow, ang daming pot. Do not touch. Just look. Good morning, madam. Good afternoon, madam.
Opo pa tayo.
Ayan. Wow. Manonood tayo paano gumawa ng pot.
Good afternoon po and
Ayun.
welcome to the pottery. Ako po naman si Tessie, isa po ako sa manggagawa dito. Ang pottery na to, nagsimula po siya noong year 2000. Ang clay na gamit namin, nanggagaling dito sa Sagada. Ngunit, hindi po ibig sabihin na kahit saan namin siya makita, ay pwede namin kunin. We have to be environmentally friendly. Secondly, hindi po amin. Kaya kung saan ang nararapat na kukuhanan, katulad po ng road widening, usually in the middle of that mountain that is bulldozed, there can be good clay. So, hahakutin namin dito, ibababad po namin dahil pagkatapos ng babad, kailangan namin siyang salain. Sinasala namin siya ng 2 beses hanggat makuha namin ang consistency of fineness na katulad po nito.
Wow.
Sa pottery po may 3 klase. We have this earthenware. These are the low-fired pottery like what they do in Vigan, in Pampanga, and some other parts of the country. These are the ones na pwedeng lutuan, lagyan na ng tubig, mga paso-paso, mga tapayan, mga burnayan, mga palayok. Those are examples of earthenware, low-fired pottery. Sa amin dito, it is called stoneware. High-fired pottery po kami. Bagamat hindi sila pwedeng lutuan, ngunit microwavable naman po ang food grade at katulad ng porcelain, they are perfect for food containers. Ang gawain namin dito, pinapakita namin ang paggawa with a demo fee of 300 pesos for both. Okay po yun sa inyo.
Alright.
And then after the demo, should anyone wants to do a pot, it is 100 pesos.
Okay.
Okay, so first thing that I would do, I would have to center the clay with the speed of the wheel and with the pressure from both of my hands. This is centering, which is very important thing to do so that we will come out with a good result. Whereas when it is not centered, we cannot shape it the way we want it. So first and foremost, kailangan natin siyang i-center.
Gano'n na po kayo katagal nagpa-pottery?
Over 21 years?
Wow. So kaya nyo na po mag-pottery kahit nakapikit?
Hindi pa, I'm still
Hindi pa.
learning.
Learning. Ongoing learning pala, no?
It is. So once centered, the very first shape that we are going to do is a cylinder. And it is always a cylinder that comes first before we will shape it to another shape. So to do the cylinder, I would have to put a hole at the very center, and then from there, we are going to pull the clay out. So how are we going to do this? Ito po, i-compress sa ilalim, and then we slide our fingers up, up, hanggang taas. Ulitin natin para tumaas pa. We will do the same thing. Compress at the bottom, and then slowly we slide our fingers up. Ito na po ang ating cylinder.
Wow.
So out of this cylinder, we are going to shape it to another shape. So, sa shaping naman, ang pressure manggagaling muna from my inside hand. I would have to push the clay outwards. While I am pushing, I am going up, until the middle of it. Now, here at the middle, it's going to be the outside hand that pushes the clay inwards. With the support of the inside hand, we are slowly going up, and before the very, very top, we will push it outwards and it becomes what you see.
Wow.
In pottery, it's about feeling. Always feel how thick or how thin, so you would know when to stop. So here, for example, we can still push it outwards at the very bottom, and then in here to balance it. Now in here we can push it further in to have a distinctive neck. And that's how far the clay can go. It is a vase, but we can also transform it into a water jug by having a spout like that.
Wow.
So from here, I would have to air dry it for 5 days. 5 days later, it becomes leather dried. I would have to come back. I will trim it at the very bottom, take all out the excess clay, and then I will attach the handle. We will air dry it again for another month before we cook them, and we cook our pots 2 times to a certain temperature. That is pottery bowl.
Wow, bravo! So guys, ako naman po magpapat ngayon pero so far, isa-center daw ni Madam. Yan, para mamaya, madali na nating maihulma yung ating pot. So, this will be my first attempt to do a pottery, guys. Hindi katulad ni Madam na 21 years. 21 years na siya. So, medyo papunta pa lang po ako eh. Pabalik na po si Madam. Ganun.
Okay. Sit down, please.
So, it's my turn.
Ilubog ang kamay dito para
Dalawa.
madumihan. Yes, sir.
So guys, magdudumi tayo ng kamay.
Lubog.
Ang sarap. Ang
Alright.
lamig, parang chocolate. Ganyan po kalubog. Okay na yan.
Okay. Okay. Ngayon, hawakan ko muna ng kamay mo,
Sige
please.
po, okay lang.
Here. 2 thumbs at the very middle. We will push them both slowly, straight down, but not through and through. Now, we're going to separate your thumbs apart slowly. Alright, very good. I-release ang kamay. Ayan. At this point, hahawakan ko po ulit ang kamay nyo.
Okay.
We have to do the cylinder. Paki-relax ang kamay nyo. Ako ang maglalagay ng pressure. Ako pati ang gagalaw sa kamay nyo. We're going to do the cylinder. Now, we're going to compress at the very bottom. And then, slowly we slide our fingers up to the top. Ang pressure na nanggagaling sa kamay ko na pupunta sa iyo is enough. Kaya huwag maglagay pa ng pressure. Very good. Okay, one more time. Compress at the bottom. And then we slide our fingers
I can feel
up.
it. I can
Exactly,
feel the pressure.
of course you can. You should. Now, okay, now we're going to feel it together. All you have to do is to slide your hands up. This is just to feel the clay. We're going to go up, up,
Ayun.
up to the top. Good job. That now is your cylinder. Now, out of this cylinder, you are now going to shape it. So, sa shaping naman, ang pressure manggagaling from your inside hand. So, ang gagawin mo, itutulak mo siya palabas habang tinutulak, tinataas. Without having this used. Ang magtutulak ito, hindi yung dulo. Can we do it together? And then after, you will do it alone.
Okay.
Okay, so it's like this. Push the clay outwards. Dahan-dahan lang. Push. Push. Put pressure. Now, as you push, you go up.
Alright.
There. Push. Push. As you push, you go up. Up. Push. Put pressure. Put pressure. Up. Up. Now, when you reach the very, very tip in here, you just have to stay a second. At 2, at 3. You would realize it gets steadier and then slowly release your hand.
Oh my God.
Now, do what we did. Push the clay outwards. You're doing a bowl, okay? Push. Put pressure and push. Put pressure and push. As you push, you go up. Walang mangyayari kung walang pressure. Yan, yan. Up, up. Push. Push, push to the top. Up, up. At the very, very tip, stay a second. At to push some more. There, and then slowly release. You see? One more time.
One more time, one more time.
Para magkasya ang bulalo.
Ayun. Ito
Sige,
pa lang
push,
tayo.
push.
Merienda meal.
Oh, push.
Kailangan natin
Up.
yung pang family size na pang bulalo.
Up, up, push, push there, push. Put pressure and push, up to the top. Wow, malaki yan ah. Okay, now, when you reach the very tip, like I said, stay a second, a 2, a 3, and then release. Now, you had a strong pressure in here, and it dented, but we can correct that.
We can correct it.
No, we go.
Let's correct it.
Yan mo lang to. I think that's how far it goes. The rest, it will be fixed by this. We're going to take all the water down, at the same time fix it, like even it with a foam. Okay, isn't that a bowl?
Yes, it is. Kasya na yung bulalo.
Exactly. Now,
Family size na to.
I will
Bulalo.
take it out. You will have a picture of your masterpiece.
Oh my goodness.
Flat.
Wow. So guys, ito lang nakayanan ko. Sensya na.
Oy,
Tulong ni Madam.
walang hiya. Ang ganda nga eh.
Sa tulong
lang
ni
lang
Madam.
ka lang.
Humble po tayo. Humble lang tayo, ma'am. Okay. Pero it's a good start.
It is.
Tinulungan tayo ni Madam.
You really had a good hands though.
Yeah. The technique only is feelings.
Exactly.
So you need to feel with your fingers. Every pressure point should be based on feelings talaga. So
Yes.
congrats sa atin.
Yes.